Good morning, welcome back. We're jumping straight in today. We're uncovering some of the latest stuff that we need to be reminded of because once more, it is all about shining the light on what's going on behind the scenes with the whole AMC situation. And with that being stated, we're going to jump straight in, but do remember as always, this is my opinion, it's not financial advice. But if you enjoy it, do subscribe and share the video. Now, we're going straight in and we're looking at this piece posted by the user listed here. So it was a repost by this guy on Twitter. A lot of people will know who he is. Again, feel free to check him out if you wish. But he has gone on to post this. AMC. SEC has amended Form PF, which means now hedge funds have to report to the SEC immediately a regulatory event that takes place, e.g. a margin call or a massive loss. Seems like the SEC is getting prepared for a market crash. Now, this is a big thing, right? The main thing which we're looking at here is this person's opinion at the bottom, but at the top, yeah, this is true. However, like you said before, what's going to happen? Is this a case of it's another great rule, but it's not going to be implemented? Because if it is something like self-reporting and there's not many consequences for reporting the data wrong, then what happens? It's not going to hurt anybody in the hedge fund world to lie, so they probably will lie, as they have done time and time again in the past. So we do need to see a reason for this one being enforced and a reason for this one to be shown as a good thing. But yes, as we've also said before, an opposite view to that is going to be the fact that, well, are they getting prepared for a market crash? Because if we think about it, what they're doing right now is they are implementing these rules. Again, whether they get actually enforced or not is a different matter. But if the rules are implemented, I guess they could say, oh, well, we put this in place, so we did actually have control over the market. Now, of course, that may not be true, but I do think it is at least a bit of a cover if you ask me. Now the next piece is coming from Shoeless Rocketman, who posts this from Unusual Wales. Melvin Capital needs to rise 94% from its current levels, from its current losses, to break even. Now this is probably going to be involved in the title of the video or the thumbnail, because this is another piece of info which is so crucial. Again, if you think that you're on the losing end, if you think that you've lost 200, 300, 400% gains on your account, imagine being on the opposite side of that. I know that where the price of AMC is right now, people like myself are actually coming to a break-even point in the sense that we have had those massive profits we're still holding, but now we're only up, a small amount. But some are in at a lower price, but still profits have been reduced. It's not that big of a deal, in my opinion, when you look to things like this. And then you have to ask yourself once more, who is on the winning end of this? Because to me, it looks pretty obvious. Now, the next piece is coming from this user who you will see on screen. And it's a repost by Occupy the Fed Movement. It says how Powell traded during the blackout period. So let's have a quick read of it. So breaking news. Federal Reserve Chair Powell traded during the restricted FOMC blackout period, failed to disclose the majority of trades dates, apparently lied about the money bond conflict U.S. Senate on Russia's confirmation on vote on the 15th of Feb. So we get a quick view of what this is about, right? And it's a quick thing to speak about, it doesn't need to go into much detail, but it does give you that insight once more as to what is going on. It's another case of why is it one rule for us and why is it one rule for them? Why do they get to do this? Why do they do this? And what is the consequences? Because if we did something like that, I believe that the consequences would be immense. So where are the consequences for these sorts of people? Anyway, I'm going to leave it now on that note, guys. It's been a short one, but yes, we did cover a lot of stuff. Again, all of these things going forwards into today, they are little pieces, but you should probably remember all of them because they do look pretty crucial when we look at where we are in our personal battle with AMC. But with that being stated, guys, it is a goodbye, so see you in a bit for more. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.